Okay, in this quick and straightforward video, I'm going to show you how to add the Printify Personalization button to your Shopify website, to your product page. So if you made a product and you want to add personalization, hopefully you follow those steps and your product will be a personalizable product, but it doesn't mean the button's there on your site yet. So what you need to do is you need to go into your Shopify site, and I will go back here so I can show you where I went. You're going to go click on your online store first, and then you're going to click down right below it on themes. Then you're going to go to edit theme here to edit your main live theme. Make sure you're on your live theme. And let me just move my head over here. Then you're going to go to the product detail page. So what that usually is called for you is products default product. You may have more than one product template if somebody else built your site for you, but you're just going to want to go into the product detail page. Now, once I'm here, this is where I'm going to add the personalization. And actually, this isn't a great example because that's not a t-shirt. So let me just show you with a t-shirt. I just wanted to show you how to get to it using that, but you can also just click through and it should take you to your product detail page. So if I click there, you can see I'm also on the default product page. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is go over to templates and I'm gonna click on add section. I'm gonna have two options here, sections or apps. You obviously wanna go to apps. And then you're gonna click on this personalize button. And now you've got the personalize button, but it's gonna drop it all the way down here. The place you want to move it to is right here under the product information. So, and they suggest under the quantity selector, so or variant picker, I think. Let's see. Buyers. Yeah, it doesn't really matter where you add it, but let's just see how it looks. I mean, just go with whatever you want. So I'm going to grab it right here, and I can't move it on this screen. I can move it over here. And I'm bringing it right up here. I'll put it under the variant picker. So now you can see that on this personalization product, now I've got the personalization button here. So I can, they can select color, size, probably put it above. They get quantity and then personalization, and then below add the cart. So I'm just going to save that. And now I've added the personalized design button. Now what they say is it's only going to show up under the products that you have enabled the personalization when you created that product in Printify. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions. I help small businesses get found and do all things digital marketing to run their business. Catch you in the next video.